Continuing on in our series Manychat in 2 minutes, a popular question. Does Manychat work only on Instagram? I love this question because the answer is even better than most expect when I share it with them. No, Manychat does not only work on Instagram. To be honest, it can work from anywhere. Let me explain. First thing first, you got to understand that Manychat works with some social media apps via direct integration. Those apps would include Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, and TikTok. On Manychat, they're considered channels, and for each Manychat account, you can have just one of each. Now, here's the cool part. Indirectly, Manychat can work from anywhere, simply via a URL. With their feature called ref URL, you can generate a link and share it anywhere. YouTube, Threads, in an email. I mean, anywhere. And when this link is clicked, it will open the person's Instagram app, launch a DM window, and start sending the automated messages you've prepared. Here's a prime example. In this very video, I'm just going to share this QR code right here. Now, if this video was watched on YouTube from your phone, from a monitor in a car, or even the TV in your living room, and you scan the QR code, you'll get an automated DM from my chatbot, Brad. So no, ManyChat does not only work on Instagram. You can get someone to initiate your ManyChat automated DMs from anywhere. As I always say, to get inside the inbox, you got to think outside the box. And this is a prime example of that. By the way, since you're interested in ManyChat, I have something I know you're going to love, and it's free. Check out my 3-in-1 Manychat freebie that'll help you improve your current Manychat setup and increase your conversions. You'll get access to 50 suggested keywords that are proven to be used more with less incidental DM triggers. No more apologizing for messages your chatbot accidentally sent. And how about 100 call to action specifically focused to entice more viewers to comment those suggested keywords and receive your automated messages? Last, a few effective strategies and tips that'll provide deeper insight on how to make your ManyChat automations better for you and your leads. To get the 3-in-1 Manychat freebie, you can do one of the following. 1. Scan this QR code on the screen. Or 2. Visit the link on my YouTube channel to get access to everything I listed. This is your opportunity to begin working smarter, not harder with Manychat and DM automation. Get your freebie now.